Toyota confirms GR-GT supercar. Name, design, and V8 engine revealed. Toyota has officially confirmed the name and teased key design features of its upcoming GR-GT supercar, a long-awaited successor to the iconic LFA. The announcement comes ahead of the vehicle's world premiere next week, ending years of speculation about whether a production model would follow the 2020 GR-GT3 concept. Design details and heritage. A recently aired Japanese TV commercial showcases the GR-GT alongside its predecessors, the legendary 2000 GT and the groundbreaking LFA. While Toyota intentionally dimmed the video to obscure finer details, the GR-GT's wide body and aggressive stance are immediately apparent. Notably, the front and rear light signatures echo those of the 2026 spec GR010 Le Mans hypercar, signaling a clear connection between Toyota's racing and road-going performance divisions. The audio in the teaser suggests a V8 engine, following a brief homage to the 2000 GT's inline-six and the LFA's V10. Engine and performance. Toyota has confirmed the development of a new twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine, which will likely be shared with Lexus models. While hybrid options remain unconfirmed, the focus is on delivering a high-performance combustion engine. Transmission details have not been released, but a manual gearbox seems unlikely. The development of this engine is significant because it represents Toyota's commitment to high-performance internal combustion, while other manufacturers shift towards electrification. The V8 is expected to filter into other Toyota and Lexus models, broadening the brand's performance offerings. Pricing and market positioning. Toyota is expected to price the GR-GT in the six-figure range, potentially around $150,000 or higher. This strategy suggests a deliberate effort to avoid directly competing with ultra-exclusive hypercars from Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren, while still delivering a premium experience. The LFA's limited commercial success due to its high price tag, $375,000, likely influenced this pricing approach. Toyota and Lexus aim to strike a balance between exclusivity and accessibility to maximize the GR-GT's market appeal. Release timeline. The official unveiling is set for December 5 in Japan, late December 4 in the US. A public debut at the 2026 Tokyo Auto Salon, January 9/11, will follow shortly. The GR-GT represents Toyota's renewed push into the high-performance market, leveraging its racing expertise and engineering prowess to create a compelling alternative to established supercar brands.